Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Malcontent Corner, the corner where I hope to enrich your lives with things I've learned in the daily walk of mine. Now, I've not made any videos for a couple of months, and the primary reason for that is it has been nice where I've been at. The sun's out, it's hot out, and I'm trying to take as much advantage of being outdoors as I can. However, I'm filming this video in September, and I know a few weeks from now the weather's going to change, and that's going to mean darker, wetter, colder, gloomier days. And on top of that, we obviously have the fact that our days are getting shorter here in the northern hemisphere. Now, if you have a car with plastic headlight lenses and your lenses look anything like the lenses on this Jeep Cherokee here, you're probably going to want to do something about them, especially given that the days are getting shorter, and as a driver, you are going to rely on your headlights more as time goes on. Now, what you have going on there on those headlight lenses are a couple of things. Number one, the UV from the sun has probably clouded up the lenses to some degree, but even more so, those lenses have a lot of micro scratches in them from the road debris and grime that just occurs from driving your car on a daily basis. Now, you as a driver, you will notice a few things. You're probably going to notice that your headlights don't shine as bright or as far as they should. They tend to lack any kind of focal ability. And the main reason for that is because your lenses have a lot of scratches in them and it diffuses the light. This can kind of set up a little bit of a dangerous scenario, especially on those wetter, darker nights where people have been known to get hit during the winter months. It's unfortunate, but you're going to want to do all that you can as a driver to try to improve your ability to see anything that may be in front of you. Now, if you get on YouTube, you're going to find a whole slew of videos on how to polish your headlights. I mean, I've seen people polish them with toothpaste. I've seen people polish them with polishing compound. The polishing part isn't really the hard part. The hard part is trying to keep the lenses looking as crystal clear for as long as you can. Now, I've done a couple things over the years to try them. I've wet sanded them with sandpaper and then sprayed them with clear coat. The problem I have with that is the clear coat tends for me to craze, so you can end up with a nice looking headlight lens, but just not as nice as it should be, at least not in my opinion. But a few weeks back, my wife bought me a couple of boxes for my birthday, and well, I should say a gift for my birthday, and it consisted of a couple of boxes of Rustoleum's Wipe New. And I'm here to tell you I use this product, and it's a really, really nice product. Now, you can pick up this product at any number of stores. The cost of it is about $12 to $18, depending on who you purchase it from. When you open the box, you will find two pouches in there. The first pouch is going to be clear, and inside of there you will find a set of instructions, a microfiber towel, a couple of gloves, and most importantly, a little foam sanding block. Now, as always, read the instructions, but here's kind of a quick once-over on how it works. Basically, you're going to want to clean the lens with some soapy water or a non-ammonia glass cleaner. I use Spray Away for that. And then you're going to use this foam block, the green side of it, to wet sand your headlights. This kit, every box is good for one pair of headlights. So you're going to wet sand both headlights with the green side of the block, and then you're going to go through and wet sand them with the gray side of the block. The green side really roughs them up and kind of cleans out a lot of the imperfections. The gray side really kind of polishes them up. But the magic now comes in with the second pack that comes in, and it's the Wipe New cloth. And what you're going to do is once you get done cleaning it up and wiping it down with the microfiber towel, you are going to open this, and inside you're going to find a cloth that is impregnated with material, or product I should say, and you're going to wipe the headlights in a sweeping motion. And what that will do is it will actually fill in the imperfections and provide a UV coating, giving you a nice crystal clear headlight lens. Now, I use this on my Chrysler. Unfortunately, I didn't take any before photos, but here is what those headlights look like now. there you have it. They look pretty nice, and actually I was really happy to get this kit because I was not looking forward to having to polish up those headlights before the season ended. And the nice part is that they didn't look anywhere near as bad as the photos in that Jeep that I showed just earlier in the video here. But it did a really nice job polishing it up, and I have no doubt that this kit could make the lenses on that Jeep Cherokee look almost brand new. So there you have it, Rustoleum's Wipe New. I highly recommend it, and it's especially important from a safety factor, especially with the darker days ahead. Anyways, that's what I have for you today on Malcontent Corner. As always, I appreciate you listening to me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. But as always, I do, again, appreciate you listening to me, and I hope to see you back again here in the not too distant future. So until then, you take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you back here later on. Ciao!